Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up interactive brokers for options trading. First, you will need to open an individual or joint brokerage account. This involves completing an online application with your personal and financial details. Once your account is approved, you must fund it with at least $2,000. This minimum balance is crucial for options trading. Finally, you will apply for and enable options trading permissions within your account settings. This initial setup is straightforward and gets you ready for the next steps. Funding your account is simple, typically done via bank wire or ACH transfer. Remember, maintaining at least $2,000 is a requirement for options trading. Next, you will apply for options trading permissions directly through the Interactive Brokers platform. This application asks about your trading experience, financial situation, and investment objectives. Be honest and thorough in your responses, as this helps Interactive Brokers assess your suitability for options. Approval usually takes a few business days, ensuring you are ready to proceed. Once permissions are granted, download and install the Trader Workstation, or TWS, platform. This powerful tool is where you will execute your trades. Take some time to explore its layout and various features, like the customizable option chain, which is essential for analyzing contracts. Before risking real capital, I highly recommend utilizing the paper trading account. This allows you to practice strategies and become comfortable with the platform in a simulated environment, building confidence without financial risk. Now you are ready to place your first options trade. Begin by selecting an underlying asset, such as a stock or ETF. Then, choose your desired strike price and expiration date from the option chain. Next, determine your order type, like a market or limit order, and the quantity of contracts you wish to trade. Always review all the details of your order carefully before confirming. This final check ensures your trade aligns with your strategy and helps prevent any unintended errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.